guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a Stitch Fit unboxing. This is my second unboxing and I didn't expect to get another box that quick because I signed up to receive a box like every 2 months. But they sent me another box and I'm kind of glad they did, because in my last video, I didn't try on any of the clothes. And one of my subscribers commented, wish I had tried on the clothes. So after watching some other videos, I saw that, people would try on the clothes. So in this video, I will be trying on the clothes. So make sure you watch till the end. And I'll be trying on the pieces to let you guys see how they look and how they fit on me. And I also will show you the one piece that I got from my last subscription, well, my last box. So without further ado, let's just jump on into the video. And I am so excited to get this box open. And as always, I always open up my subscriptions on camera with you guys. So I have my scissors. Here, and we're going to open it up real quick so we can see what is inside. And if you're not familiar with Stitch Fit, it is something like a subscription. It does give you options on how often you want to receive a box, and it also gives you a range on how much you would want to spend on items that you receive in your box. And each day you can go on to the website, and it is like it gives you a chance to thumbs up different pieces of clothing that they might send out to you, just to get an idea of how your style is. And when you initially sign up, there is a questionnaire or a little quiz to figure out just things that you like as far as clothing and shoes and different items like that, just to get an idea of your style. And I'm excited, guys. So I'm gonna let you see how it looks inside. And like I said before, I did keep one item for my previous box, and I sent those things back. And that's another thing with this subscription. You can decide if you want to keep all the pieces, and if you do, they give you a 25% discount. If not, you can just send back what you don't want and keep what you do want, and your styling fee will be deducted from that. I also will link my referral link in the description box. You will get $25 and I will get $25 if you sign up using my link. And like I said, I'll leave that down below in the description box. So let's just jump in, because I've been rambling. But make sure you watch to the end so you can see me try on everything. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is this clutch. It is, well, you know what? I forgot something. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is look at this card that comes inside. It is a note from your stylist, and she says, "Happy Fix Day. I was so excited to see that you found a piece you loved in your last fix. You wrote in your feedback that you liked receiving pants last time, but you were looking for different material and colors for this fix. I am sending you a tinsel trouser in navy. And to go with the pants, I included a mustard blouse by West Key." And actually, West Key was the designer of the top that I kept the last time. The navy in the pants will really bring out the dark blue in the blouse. I know you are a fan of black and white, so I also included a black blouse from Sophia Rue, and it is a tie front key kimono to layer over it. This would look great paired with the black pants you mentioned you just bought, or just some cute jeans for a slightly more casual look. Lastly, I included a nautical clutch crossbody with a spring vibe and bright pop of color. Let me know how you like everything. Cheers, Mackenzie. So you will receive this card here, and it will include each piece of items that you receive in your box, and it will give you at least 2 options on how to style the outfit. And I just think that is so neat. And also what I like about that is that it'll give you 2 options. Like I said, one would be casual and one would be more dressed up. So I got 3 tops and 1 pair of pants and a clutch. So let's just jump into the box. And here is the list of the prices. So the total, the subtotal for this box was $213. With the 25% discount, that took off $53.25. So your order subtotal would be $159. If I choose to keep all 5 pieces, they also would deduct that $20 styling fee, which if you keep 1 piece, they still would deduct the $20 styling fee. Excuse me. If you still just choose 1 piece, they will take off that $20 styling fee. And so if I was to buy everything in the box, it would be a total of $139.75. To me, for 3 tops, a purse, a clutch, and a pair of pants, I really think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna sit this right here, and we're gonna start pulling items out of the box. The first thing is the nautical clutch. This would be great for the summer. It's like, it's not really white, it's more like an ivory color, and it's trimmed in this tan faux leather here. It has a detachable little purse. You might could put your lipstick or maybe some coins or other things inside, and that's really cute. And it slides right on the side here and snaps. It has silver hardware. So as she stated, you can use this as a clutch or use the scrap that is included and use it as a crossbody. And this is how it looks inside. And it has an area, if you can see, guys, that you can put your cards and maybe your cell phone. So I think this is a really cute clutch. Would be great for the summertime when you're out and about. So here is my little bundle. Hope you guys can see that. Open everything else. Oh, and for the clutch, I forgot to let you guys know, the clutch is $39. So that's not bad. That's really not bad, and that's by Nautica. So I'm gonna start with all of the tops, and then I'll show you the pants. So the first thing up is this tank top here, and all my tops are in a large, guys. This is a great piece for layering. It's a basic color, black, and it can be dressed up or dressed down. If you need to, you know, if you're going on a date and you want to dress it up a little bit, you can always put some nice slacks on and a jacket. Or you can put on some jeans and some cute sandals, and this would be great for a movie date. It's kind of sheer. This is the back here, and it's kind of sheer back there, kind of like a sheer material. And then here is the front, and I just think this is really cute. This is the let's see, the Sophia Rue Nella Sheer detail blouse, and the cost of this is $38. So I really like this. I'm excited to see how it looks on, and it's a real good length. It's real nice. So the next is the Komodo, and it ties here in the front. My favorite, black and white, very lightweight, can take you from the spring to the summer, and that's really nice. And I guess you can also wear the little tank with this also, but I would pair it with maybe a white tank, or maybe even a pop of color like red or yellow. That would really look nice. Or you can do all white, an all white outfit, like the white tank and some white pants, and just throw this on top. That will be really, really nice. This is the kimono, and it is the West Key, I hope I'm saying that right, West Key, K-E-I, Kai, West Kai, Key, Castello tied front kimono, and this is $44. So I can't wait to try that on. Oh my goodness, this is cute. And I do think mustard is a really pretty color. I could see pairing these with some dress pants or some denim. That would look nice with some cute sandals. It has kind of like the wrap detail up front here, and then the sleeves are like a 3/4 sleeves. Really, really cute. And here is the back. It has some pleating here in the back, and I think this color really would look really nice on me. We'll see when I try it on. And the very last item are some trousers. These are in a size 31. Just some basic trouser. It does have some detailing, zipper detailing. Let me see if these are functional pockets. So no, they're not functional pockets. So, and this is the back, and it has some pockets in the back, and these are not functional either. And it's look like just some basic blue, well, navy slacks. And the cost of these were $50. So guys, that's everything that I received in this box. I'm going to try everything on for you guys. Okay guys, first I wanted to show you the shirt that I bought from my last Stitch Fit unboxing. This is the top that I decided to go with. I really like it. It's cute. As you can see, you can wear it tied in the front or tied in the back, as I am doing here. I really love this top. It goes great with pants or a skirt, and it is just perfect for work. I really did like it. It's real cute. I just love how it ties in the back. So I'll probably be wearing it both ways. Okay guys, I'm gonna start off showing you the items that I got in this fix. This is the Allen roll tab high-low blouse, and it was suggested to pair it with the Isabella skinny pants. I really like how it, crosses over in the front, and you see it is a little bit lower in the back there. I love this mustard color with the blue floral prints. And the pants, guys, were a little too big. They're a size 12, and they just were a little too big. But the top fit really nice. I love the design of the top. The sleeves are really, really cute. You can also button them up, as you see here, or just leave them hanging down. I think really both look really, really cute. And I think this might be one of my favorite pieces in this unboxing. I really do wish the pants fit. So the next top is the Castello tied front kimono, and I paired it with the Nella sheer detail blouse. And as you see, these pieces are big also. I don't know what it was about these pieces that I received in this fix, but they were really, really big on me, but I do like the pairing of these two items. They really look nice together. You can wear some black slacks or maybe some denim for a casual look. And here I'm just showing you the detail blouse, which was really cute. But like I said, I think it was a little too big, but I did really like both of the pieces. So I am going to send them back, but I might request them to resend them to me in smaller sizes because everything was just too big. Right here, I'm showing you this Leah clutch, and it's really cute. It's from Nautica, and I did really like it, but I didn't really need another clutch. But I really like the style of it. It was really cute. I could see you pairing this with a nice, cute summer outfit, and it did come with a little additional pouch inside of it. Okay, guys, for my final thoughts on the pieces that I received today, I actually really like everything that I received, but as you see from the video, they are a little too big. So I know already the two pieces that I'm going to keep, but as usual, you guys have to wait until my next Stitch Fit video to see what I chose. I know some of the items were just a little too big. I do like the style of the items that she sent me. And I really like the stylist, Mackenzie. She's doing an awesome job. But I must have lost some weight because a lot of the items were a little too big. So maybe I need to go back online and change some of my pant sizes and my top sizes because some of them were a little too big. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stayed to the end, thank you. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube channel. And as always, guys, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.